everybody, I just wanted to talk about short videos today, and you all as a community have helped our channel so much by commenting, watching, helping me with different tech problems and things. I want to try to give a little something back to my fellow creators and maybe share what's been working for us and see if I can help your channel as well. So like I said, I'm not an expert. We're a small channel. We're still learning what the heck we're doing here, but I can say that using YouTube Shorts along with long format content has really helped our channel grow. It's helped us get subscribers, it's helped us increase our watch time, and it's been a big success as far as those metrics. So I want to talk about that today in hopes that maybe it can help your channel. So let's talk about YouTube Shorts. Most often, YouTube Shorts are filmed on a cell phone. They're in that vertical up and down format. So it's a little different from a long format video in that you have a much smaller size screen. You can do a YouTube short anywhere from 0 to 60 seconds. So these are short bite-sized pieces of content. For our channel, YouTube Shorts has been huge in our growth. Once we started implementing YouTube Shorts into our regular channel schedule, we've really seen tremendous growth. And I want to go over some of the stats. So in the past 28 days, we've had 337 new subscribers, and those subscribers came from just our short form content. Now, if you back out the metrics a little bit more, over 90 days, we've had 1.1K subscribers just from shorts. So for us, shorts have been a huge game changer for the channel. And on these shorts, we're just posting like nature, different hikes, different things like throughout our week. We're not even asking people to subscribe. People are just liking what they're seeing and they're hitting that subscribe button naturally. I know a lot of people are hesitant to film YouTube Shorts. It seems like a lot of extra work. From what I can see, they don't pay as good as long format content, but if you're someone like us with a small channel who's really trying to grow your audience and grow your subscribers, it's been super helpful for that. So some of the things that I've found that have helped us with YouTube Shorts is to post on a consistent schedule. Like I said, I'm not an expert, but this is what has helped us. So like, every day at 7 p.m., we post a YouTube short. And I find that when I was just posting them randomly, they didn't do as good. If I post them at a consistent schedule, then it seems like they do better for whatever reason. Okay, so something that's been really helpful is using YouTube Shorts as a way to like post a trailer to a long format video. Or maybe you have a long format video out, you want to draw some attention to it again, and you can share a snippet from it, or you can put like a trailer up. But a lot of things that I noticed that some creators aren't doing is using the related video feature. So let's say you've got a video about a hiking trail and it's a long format video. You post a little teaser, a little bit of the trail on YouTube Shorts. You can actually relate through the related video to that long format, and it will show up at the bottom of the YouTube short, and all the person has to do is click on that and it takes them to that long format video. And that's something I wanted to share with everybody because I do see some creators using shorts, but they're not using that related video feature. And I found that that really helps get your shorts viewers over to your long format content. And a lot of people aren't aware of that. So I think that's something that could be really helpful if you're gonna try to do YouTube Shorts, use that related video feature. Or if you have some shorts that are like semi-related, or you wanna just link up shorts, you can use the related video feature to link up shorts as well. It doesn't have to go back to long format content. You could link a variety of shorts in a series. So just another way to help get viewers to your channel, help keep viewers stay engaged. For me, like I don't do TikTok. I'm newly on Instagram. I don't do Facebook. I'm kind of a weirdo. Like I'm not that into social media. So like for me, YouTube Shorts have been really fun. I create them on my phone. The other thing is like sometimes I like to film wildlife and I will use my Canon PowerShot camera. And what I found that if my video software, I can change the settings to a shorts format. So you can actually take a regular format video and adjust it in your video software so it comes out in the YouTube short shape and size. So that's been really helpful if it's like a close-up on birds or something that's out in the distance that you're not going to be able to capture with a cell phone. So you can do some manipulation in your video editing software, upload it through the desktop, and then put it on shorts. Another thing that I've kind of played around with is like the hashtags. So I've tried like doing less hashtags. I've tried doing more. I've kind of stuck on like 3 hashtags. And what I try to do is when I play around with shorts, I will kind of make the changes and stick them for like a month. Because I found that if you just do it for like a week or two, shorts can be so hit or miss. It can be a little frustrating as a creator to know what's going to take off and what isn't. So when I make a change, like playing around with my number of shorts or what time they're going to go up or what kind of hashtags, I try to stay consistent for a whole month and then look back at the data. Another weird thing that I've seen is that sometimes you'll post a short, it'll seem like a total dud, like it'll hardly get any views. And then almost like a week later, like I have a short today that I posted on February 28th, and it's like, I think today's March 11th, and it's taking off today. And so it's really strange. Don't be discouraged if your shorts don't do good at first. Sometimes they pick up steam later on and can really take off. I'd say that shorts format is a little harder to understand the algorithm and what's going on there compared to long format videos, but if you are a channel that's really looking to grow your subscribers and grow your audience, I really encourage you to try YouTube Shorts. All right, so I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions about YouTube Shorts, feel free to ask them to me. Like I said, we're just a small channel, but for us, Shorts have been instrumental in helping us get our subscriber count up. And, you know, I know not everybody loves the short format, but for us, it's been a very little time investment to film just these short clips and beautiful moments in nature and little snippets of our videos and put them out there on this regular schedule. We've gotten a lot of reward in terms of subscribers. So if you're a channel that's looking to increase your subscriber count, I would really encourage you to play around with the shorts format. Try to stick to a consistent schedule, you know, maybe start with 1 or 2 shorts a week at a certain time, see how that does. And then I would also encourage you to not to get discouraged if your short doesn't do good at first. A lot of times they pick up traction later. And then the last thing I want to encourage you to do is if you're going to make a short, use the related video feature, link another short to it, link back to your full-length video. All these things can be super helpful. Thanks for watching. I hope somebody gets something out of this, and thanks for being a subscriber of the channel and a friend of the channel. Have a great day.